What's up, Wayne Barron here with Dark Effects Studios, and we are inside of Google G Suites. Now, if you are a G Suite member and you have your domain setting on Google for their email, which is what I have for 2 of my domains, then you will need to do something in order to make sure that your email does not get spammed. You need to create an SPF record, and you also need to create a DKIM record. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create the DKIM record. So what we're going to do is we're going to log into our account. Now this is logging in to your G Suite's admin account. So you have to be logged in as the admin. Once you get into your panel, we'll click over here on Apps, click over on G Suites, and right down here at the bottom, choose Gmail. Once the page loads, scroll down and choose Authenticate Email. And then you want to make sure that the domain is selected right here. Simply come down here and choose Generate New Record. Leave it at the default at 248. And then you can leave Google, or you can change this to anything you want. Since this is on my Google G Suites account, I'm going to go ahead and leave this as default. And we're going to click on Generate. And now that key right there, we're going to come over here. We're going to right click and we're going to open up a new notepad. And we're going to need both this key right here, or the key name, and then we're going to paste that here. We're going to take this, copy it, and then we're going to paste it here. We're going to save this file over to this one, and we're going to rename it to Fix. Choose Save, and now we're going to come over here over onto my server. I'm going to bring this over here. I've already got my SPF record, so you need to create an SPF record as well, but we do not have the DKIM record. Okay, so we want this record right here. Okay, so we're going to come over here, we're going to right click and choose Other New Records. We're going to scroll down and we're going to choose the text Create Record. We're going to come over here, we're going to grab a hold of the Google._domain key. And then we're going to take this very long key. Let's go ahead and go to Format and Word Wrap. That way we can see all of it. Tongue got tied there. We're just going to paste that into there. Click OK. And choose Done. Now, whenever we right click and we refresh, we're going to have another key sitting inside of our domain key. So we're going to right click, choose Refresh. And we've got our Google key right here. And this is one that we just created. So that is how you add that in. Okay, I'm redoing this part of the video because I did something wrong in the previous video. So what it is that the SPF record, I created the record in the last video to show how you do it for an actual domain. But since we're running this hosted through Google's G Apps or Gmail, we need to have this right here inside of our DNS. So we're just going to simply copy this, come over here, right click, go to Other New Records, scroll all the way down, that is my granddaughter talking in the background, Create Record, and then we're going to paste this, leave this part blank, and then choose OK. And then Done. Now once this is finished, my granddaughter's trying to talk over me, and then we're just going to simply update server data records. And then we will be able to get the information that we need. Now, okay, once we have that added in, then we need to come over here to check our MX and SPF record. And if we type this in, which is our domain that we're going to be checking, and we run our check, you will see that it's given some invalid information. That's because it has not completely updated. Now, let me show you the one that I did prior, which is our cffcs.com. We're going to run a check on it. And you see that it does in fact go through. Just gives some typical warnings, which we're not really concerned about that one. So we come over here to our CS for this one, and we can see that it is already set right down here with our Google.com. And so now we just got to wait for this one right here to propagate through the internet, and we'll be all good to go. Thank you for watching. I am Wayne Barron, Dark Effects Studios, with October in the background. Y'all have a good one now. Bye-bye.